Treat yourself to a front and backyard oasis that you deserve. Improvements to your property can increase its curb appeal and value. Spending time outdoors is great for your physical and mental health. Softscaping materials can help to regulate the temperature in your home. Landscape elements help to draw your family outdoors. An outdoor fireplace or fire pit is the perfect place to gather at the end of the day to relax. A raised bed vegetable garden is a compact alternative to an in-ground bed. Perennials can provide you with years of enjoyment, adding color, height, and structure to your backyard landscape. Native vegetation is a low-maintenance, eco-friendly, natural addition to your outdoor living space. The Grounds Guys can help spark your creativity and ensure your backyard project is a complete success. Contact the team at the Grounds Guys for all your commercial and residential landscaping needs.